Hey, what's up? I'm Dom and welcome to another video. I'm currently in the middle of setting up my new workspace. So I've got a brand new gaming desk here. This is a pretty awesome LED gaming desk. I'm not sure if you can see it from here, but if I lift the mouse mat, you certainly can. It's pretty awesome. Just for the sake of simplicity for the time being, I am using a mouse mat. It feels nicer as well, but this is what the LEDs look like. It's pretty cool and it comes with a remote. But I am using a mouse mat for the time being. Other than the desk and the new stand, everything is practically the same. I've got the same monitors, I've got the same keyboard, the same mouse, same accessories, same gaming rig, same mic, same speakers, you name it. But one thing I do want to add to my setup is a more convenient way of charging my portable devices. So I'm currently heavily in the Apple ecosystem. I've got an Apple Watch, I've got an iPhone, I've got an AirPods Pro, and I just wanted to be able to charge them at the same time in a more convenient way. In the past, I've been using just a standard wireless charging pad, which could only charge one device at the same time. And that wasn't the greatest solution because it meant I had to have other cables running up the desk, and it just didn't look nice. So anyway, that's where this product comes in. This is the AceFast 3-in-1 charging dock, and it's literally a perfect addition to my desk setup. It comes with a 12-month hassle-free warranty. It has wireless fast charging, and looking at the box, it actually looks pretty awesome. It's nice, simple, straight to the point. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. It looks pretty cool. But anyway, without further ado, let's check out what's inside of the box. Okay, so let's start by having a closer look at the box. As I mentioned before, it is pretty basic, it's clean, and I absolutely love the fact that it's clean. But anyway, let's have a look at what's inside. Right. So that's absolutely it from the box. So inside of the box you have a quick start guide. You have a USB-A to USB-C cable. As with many products, I absolutely adore it when they include USB-C. It's just the next new thing. It's important that they do include USB-C in many ways. So the stand is actually a lot larger than I imagined, and this is it. So you got a dedicated space for your AirPods. You have a space for your Apple Watch here as well, and you've got a space for the iPhone. Now, this is the cable that it comes with. It's quite lengthy in size. So, starting with a closer look at the item, you've got a dedicated space for AirPods. You've got a dedicated space for an Apple Watch, and then that's for the iPhone. It does feel quite sturdy and quite weighty, this, which is good. They do say that the heavier the item, the better quality it is. Anyway, let's try plugging this thing in. Now the cable isn't extremely long, but it's not a major issue for me. And obviously it's a USB-A to USB-C cable, so if you do need a longer cable, it shouldn't be much of an issue. So I'm not sure if you noticed that, but there is a blue LED light just down here. It actually suits pretty well with my desk. I'm not sure if you can see that, but if say I put it here, and if I take the camera off for a sec, so my new desk is LED powered. So if I change that to blue, I'm not sure if you can see it because the LED on the desk is pretty bright. So it's now time to test it out. So I've got my AirPods Pro here, and I'm gonna put them on here. So as you can see, it's got a little green light here now to say it's charging, and obviously the AirPods say that they're charging as well. What I can also do is put my Apple Watch on here, but this particular Apple Watch just lives up here, and that is now charging. I'm not sure if you heard the bing. And finally, I can also put my iPhone up. Now this particular stand, as you can see, it's also green to say it's charging. Now this particular stand accepts MagSafe, so I should just be able to do this. Yeah, so it's been a week since I recorded the last part of this video. I've been testing it on a daily basis for that time, and it's been on my desk setup. In the past, what I have had is down the back of my desk, I've had all sorts of cables running down. I've had a USB-C, Lightning, micro USB, you name it. I had a few Lightning connectors as well, simply if I wanted to charge more devices at the same time. But I'm not sure if you can see, I've got an entire new desk setup. Yes, I've got an RGB gaming desk, because you can never have enough RGB. But yeah, this is going to be the perfect addition to my desk setup. It takes all the wires away, and it just looks nice. It's convenient, and it performs really well. One of the things I like about it is the fact that it's compatible with my Apple Watch. In the past, I had quite a few of these rubber stand thingies for the Apple Watch, and depending on the band that you have, they never had the proper connection. So I've got this sort of super dry band here, which is, well, just a basic band, I guess. But one of the things that was causing issues with stands, not this one, but with certain stands, is the fact that this is sort of thicker here, and what it will do is, because of the way it's built, it will sort of do that. It will sort of expand a little bit, and it will knock it just slightly off the charger. But with this, because of the way it's positioned, it's absolutely perfect. It does not cut it off any charges without any issues. Other than that, there isn't really much to say about this, other than the fact that I actually really like this stand. One other thing is that there's a blue bar on the bottom, and each part turns green when you put something on it to charge, and it tells you that it's charging, which is pretty awesome. But yeah, overall, I definitely recommend this item. Not only is it because of the quality, the build quality is really good, and it feels good, especially because of the fact that it is a little bit weighted. It also charges really well, and yeah, it's got my full recommendation. By the way, if you are interested in this product, I'll leave it linked down below under this video. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Till next time.